Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I have a lifestyle channel, so what I talk about is food, fitness, personal experiences, things like that, hauls. If you're into that kind of stuff, I suggest you stick around. Today we're going to talk about what happened the first time I tried keto bulletproof coffee. So I've heard of bulletproof coffee before. I've seen a couple videos here on YouTube about it. I just never tried it because I never had a reason to. I wasn't doing keto in the past. Here's the smoke coming. But since I started the keto diet, I've been trying different things, and bulletproof keto coffee was something that I was really interested in because I have a cup of coffee every morning, and anywhere where I could put in more fats, I will definitely try. So here's how I made the coffee. I put a tablespoon of MCT oil, a tablespoon of butter, a splash of heavy whipping cream, and 2 tablespoons of collagen peptides. Let me make sure that's everything I put in there because I track everything on Carb Manager, and I have a feeling that I might, no, yeah, I did. Except, I mean, telling you guys that I put coffee in it, but you probably already know that. So I blended all of those wonderful things together, and I made myself 3 strips of bacon that morning. I don't have bacon every single morning. I really try to switch it up. I really can't stand having to eat something like continuously. I get bored real easily. But that was my morning breakfast, my bulletproof keto coffee and then the bacon. So I was sipping on my way to work, finished the coffee at work, and then I realized, dang, I have a lot of energy right now. On top of that, I have some focus that I never really had in the morning before. I sit in front of a computer for about 8 hours a day, on the phone most of the time, and in the morning it's just really hard, you know, to get into the flow of things right off the bat. But that morning I had so much focus, attention, energy. I was like, geez, where did this come from? So not only was I feeling all this awesomeness, I wasn't hungry for a while. Usually I start to get hungry around noon. No, I honestly could have gone until maybe 2 or 3 in the afternoon. It might have just been the combination of the bulletproof coffee and the bacon, because I've tried different breakfasts with the bulletproof, but when I tried it with just bacon, my hunger was suppressed for a long time. One thing that really frustrated me though, when I was trying to find out how to make bulletproof coffee, I was doing all this research on YouTube, Pinterest. Everybody had so many different ways of doing it, and I get that you get variety in that way. Somebody was saying put 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, and I'm just like, oh my god, I don't know if I should consume that much butter my first time. I don't know how I'm gonna react. I have been using the MCT oil though for about a week, and my stomach is good on that. Like, I don't have any digestional troubles, thank God. So I just decided to do 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon MCT oil, and the 2 tablespoons of peptides, because that's the amount that's the serving on the bag. But now that I got the gist of it, I'm really open to hearing about how you do your bulletproof coffee, if you do it differently, just so I'm open to different ideas and maybe switching it up so I'm not doing the same thing every week. So leave a comment down below explaining how you do yours. But that's pretty much it for today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of my YouTube family. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!